I'm fairly confident in our ability to wire this guy up. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got a bunch of insulators in, and I've got the copper strips that I want, which are going to get coated with Oxguard later. But then the red wire is going to come up, and we got a little boiler problem. So I went ahead and took the Dremel tool. If you can see, I notched it a bit. And I do believe, by looking at where this guy goes, I believe, looking in here, that hole, I don't know if you can see all the way in there, probably not, but there's a hole in there, and it does look like the red wire will come up through that hole without any trouble. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, these copper strips, yeah, that's not good. Okay, let's see. All right, I'm confident that we can do this. All right, I am confident that we can do this. These copper strips are going like that and like that, and I've got ones for the red wires, and then we'll be right there. Let's see if we can do it.